Tips and tricks. Direction sense. Concept of directions is an integral part of logical reasoning section. In these types of questions, a successive follow-up of different directions is formulated, and then a student is required to find out the final direction or the distance between 2 points. Following figure shows the 4 main directions and 4 cardinal directions to help the students. In the figure, N is equal to north, NE is equal to northeast, E is equal to east, SE is equal to southeast, S is south, SW is southwest, W is west, and NW is northwest. Finding directions. Let us draw the path through the directions given in the below example. If a person is going to the east of his home and turning to his left, after that turning to his right, we can draw this path as. Now, understand these concepts with the help of example. Example 1. Prakash, Ram, Mohan and Sanjay are playing a game of carom. Prakash and Mohan and Sanjay and Ram are partners. Sanjay is to the right of Mohan, who is facing west. Then Ram is facing which direction? Solution. This problem is based on direction sense. Step 1. We can represent the 4 directions, east, west, north and south, in the following manner. Step 2. Sanjay is in the north. Mohan is sitting towards the east. Step 3. Therefore, Ram is facing towards north. Example 2. Ram facing south. He turns right and walks 40 meters. Then he turns right again and walks 20 meters. Then he turns left and walks 20 meters. And then turning right, walk 40 meters. Then he turns right again and walks 120 meters. In which direction he is from the starting point? A. Northeast. B. Northwest. C. North. D. West. Explanation. Therefore, Ram is at northeast from the starting point. So the answer is A. Northeast.